So this is Ice Cube with Frankie Z. Got a big weekend here. Look, we got the red carpet rolled out. Isn't this fabulous? We got a big golf weekend this weekend coming into town. It is the celebrity golf tournament. Ice Cube with Frankie Z is going to be here for the golf tournament. So check it out. It's going to be fantastic. Ice Cube fast. So we've done a little filming already, showing some other people. Now we got Frankie Z on the line. Damn. Anyway, I've had the beef Wellington over at Hell's Kitchen. Fabuloso. So check it out. Here's just the lobby walking in. This weekend is going to be just fantastic. It's just going to be spectacular. So if you're in the Tahoe area, come check it out. Especially here at Harvey's. This place is rocking right now. Got the golf tournament, we got honeys walking around, we've got the black obelisk here in the middle of the lobby. I don't even know what to tell you about this place, other than this is the place to be. Alright, I'm out. Ice Cube Frankie Z, subscribe, like the channel, leave us a comment. We'll see you more on YouTube. Peace. Alright, here you are with Ice Cube with Frankie Z, and it is a good weekend to be here at Harveys in South Lake Tahoe on the Stateline. Right here's this black obelisk that I talk about all the time, and over my shoulder here we have NBC Sports presenting, if you can believe this. It's the Celebrity Open here at Lake Tahoe. Look at who we got. Stephen Curry. We have the likes of a number of different athletes. We have the opportunity to be part of this. So, we're going to let you take a look at it here. The American Century Championship. Oh, these are a bunch of people nobody gives a shit about. Alright, well anyway, as soon as we get something to pop up, we'll bring it to you here at Ice Cube with Frankie Z, coming to you from South Lake Tahoe on Stateline. Buddy, how you doing?
Good.
Great to see you guys.
I didn't get transit.
Yeah, they gave me a day off. So we're gonna go through the doors here. I just want to kind of show you what's cooking outside of the front here. This is the Valet. Harveys is just making it pop here in Lake Tahoe. There's people everywhere.